Hello, grade 2 learners! Welcome to Maestro Mo YouTube channel. This is Maestro Mo, your online teacher. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more educational videos. Happy learning! Learning objective: to illustrate and write multiplication as repeated addition using arrays. Let us read the word problem. Robin and his classmates were told to bring chairs in their school's conference hall to be arranged as shown. How many chairs should they bring? Who were asked to bring chairs to the school's conference hall? What will they do with the chairs? What does the problem ask us to find? When the objects are arranged like this, it is called an array. Array is an arrangement of objects in rows and columns. And we can use arrays to get the total number of objects. Arrays show equal groups. Each row has the same number. Each column has the same number. A row is a horizontal alignment of objects. A column is a vertical alignment of objects. How many rows of chair are there? You're right. There are 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since there are 4 rows of 5 chairs, we can add the 4 fives to get a total number of chairs. The repeated addition is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. 4 rows of 5 is 20. How many columns of chairs are there? You're right. There are 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since there are 5 columns of 4 chairs, we can add the 5 fours to get the total number of chairs. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. 5 columns of 4 is 20. Instead of adding 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, we can multiply the number of rows by the number of columns. Since each row has the same number of objects, so we multiply the number of rows by the number of columns. The multiplication sentence is 4 times 5 equals 20. This gives the same total, but in a quicker way. In our multiplication sentence, 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 is our multiplier. 5 is our multiplicand. And the 20 is our product. Another situation. What if there are 5 rows by 3 columns of chairs? How many chairs should Ruben and his classmates bring to the school's conference hall? In our illustration, we have 5 rows of 3 chairs. The repeated addition is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. In writing multiplication sentence, let's have the number of rows times the number of columns. Our multiplication sentence is 5 times 3 equals 15. Now, it's time for you to answer the activity. Write the correct multiplication sentence for each array shown in the illustration. Are all your answers correct? Good job! Now, answer the evaluation. Write the correct multiplication sentence for each array shown in the illustration. I know you have learned a lot in our lesson. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Again, this is Maestra Mo, your online teacher.